So, quick thing to do before we continue. We just made our brand pages or brand screens, but in case you haven't done it, I haven't done it probably. So I'm going to go back and go to my artboard screen, and actually we have to edit this. So for example, this one is not sign-up form anymore. So go ahead and actually change this. Search 1, search 2, obviously you name them the way they make sense to you, you know? This is for you to understand what you're working on, and when you export them, what that file means. So let's go to this one. Yeah, this is going to be brands 02. Could be brands detail, could be brands list. For me, it's just 1 and 2. I know what they are. So perfect. I just wanted to have this lecture to remind you the importance of naming your artboards.